So, it has been raining, which means our skate park is flooded. But that doesn't mean that I still can't record and skate. Because we have an indoor skate park, and so, well, sadly that's not where I'm heading right now. Right now I'm heading to work. But after, hopefully, I'm going to try to get as many friends as I can, and we're going to go skate that indoor skate park. Because I'm going to try to be good at keeping content uploaded as much as I can, because it's fun and I like doing it. So anyways, I'll come back to y'all when I'm off of work. I just got off of work. Got my skate bag ready. About to, oh my god. There we go. About to go out. Gonna go pick up my buddies. Then we're gonna go skate. So, on the way to go get them. It's still raining currently, which is kind of sucks, but it's okay. That's why we're going to the indoor one. This first time though. My other friends have been there, but I have not. But hopefully it's fun. Yo, I just picked up my boy Javin. Yo. Now we just gotta go get Padon.
Ah, no.
The SOS.
Oh, no. Intended to have
A clip before Padon gets to the car.
a clip before Padon gets to the car. We hit a rock to fakie. We hit a rock and roll. That counts in my book.
That counts.
Fuck it, I'll drop in.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, he got that.
Ah.
What? What is it?
Oh,
I got that.
Hell yeah.
Where's this man?
Where is this man? Cause what the fuck, Padon? Not one, not two, not three, not even four, but a whole motherfucking five.
5 ites in a row.
5 ites in a row.
That's insane.
Bro, come on. Man.
That's funny.
So, alright, Padon.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Padon, so, what the fuck? 5 ites in a row.
What, did it like say
5 ites in a row.
I honestly have no idea why that happened. I only sent you one eye. Oh wait. Oh, I replied 5 eye.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's funny. Okay, we gotta stop in at a gas station, get drinks. It's only necessary. Alright.
I mean, I'm not saying yours is bad, but like.
Dude, what was I just saying? What was I just wanting? What was I just wanting?
Did he just?
On the way
I've
to
never
get
even
you.
been to this one before.
No, on the way to pick you up, I was like, can we normalize keeping donut places open all day? Because I fucking want a donut.
Bathrooms are infected.
See? Buy 2, get 1 free.
Alright,
Which one do you want, man?
Where's the cocaine flavor?
Coke flavor, right here. Coke. I'm just kidding, bro.
I don't even think I can get it.
Is there any?
Was it not on that side? Over there? I don't know. Oh yeah? What is that? What is happening? Is this Strawberry Dreams? It is. Alright, awesome. Low key, I want more than 2, but it's okay.
I'm off of perk.
Should I get what?
I'm off of perk.
Should I get 4 Monster Energy liquid cocaine? Alright, let's see it. Do an impossible.
An impossible?
Dolphin flip. Laser flip. No.
There you go, there's an impossible. You mean a laser flip? Oh, hell no. Did that look like a laser flip to you? Ooh, that might have been one. What else did you say?
Oh, it's a dolphin flip.
You land that. One more try. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, finally. Jesus. You know what? I'm good.
Gas station French fries, best shit ever. We've made it. RTD. This place is cool. That's cool. I've never been to an indoor skate park ever. So this is pretty cool. But all these people look like they're really good at skating.
No. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Step into the scene. No, nobody can do it like me. Zoop house plate with the kick was Z. I was the black top king. 360s in my green machine. I was a kid and I was breaking down doors. Listening to Tribe, now we on a world tour. We gave them hell and now we gonna give them more. KVB, mighty morphin like Megazord. Yo, power like Ranger, range like Rover, strong bulldozer. Autobots roll out, hit the scene. Fresh wax on the paint, it's clean. All the gang, light up the tires. The Jay-Z's popping and spitting out fire. Never retire, stare and admire. My drip don't expire. Oh my God, that is fire.
Ollie the spider. Where'd it go?
Did it get crushed? No. Oh, I wish it got good.
That counts in my book.
It does. You ollied over it. Yeah, it didn't die, so sadly. Holy shit! Bro.
Whoa. Oh, my.
As soon as I get on film.
S.
Talking like she can do it.
I ain't talking like I can do it.
I be like, whoa, baby, love the way you move your body. Eyes roll back like she tweaking up the molly. Like, whoa, baby, I can turn you to my shawty. You looking for a good time, shawty, you can call me like, whoa.